How to make highlights on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Instagram application. Then go to your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Now, here you will see the highlight sections just below your edit profile and share profile icon. Now, in order to create a new highlight, simply go to new and all your stories that you have made will appear over here. Now select the stories that you want to add in your new highlight. Now go to next. You can edit your cover for the highlight and add a title for your highlight and then select done. Now your highlight is created. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.